Hi everyone, today I'm teaching you how to view your referral code in GCash. Open your GCash app and log in. This is your home screen. Now tap View All to see more features. Scroll down until you find the section called Jobs. Tap on that. At the bottom of the Jobs screen, tap Referral. Here, you'll see how to refer friends and earn GCash rewards. You can also check who referred you. It shows your referral history right here. To start inviting friends, just tap Refer Now. This lets you share your referral link to a job with your friends so you can both earn rewards. With your friends sign up using your referral, you can earn rewards and they can start working right away. You can also track your referral progress on this page, see how many friends joined and how much you've earned. So go ahead, tap Refer Now, share your job and start earning. And that's it. Easy and fast.